Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. I wanted to do a quick little update. I mean, in general the price hasn't moved that much. I would say we did get a bullish confirmation, so that's good. Most of you already know that I am bullish on Jasmy, so just wanted to do an update on how that's going. So far, I would say that if you followed my videos, if you followed my updates on Jasmy, you'd be doing quite well, I would say, in Jasmy. What we talked about earlier in general, and what you need to know is that if we look at the market structure right now, so on the daily time frame, this is mostly a consolidation. All right, sure, there are some weird spikes, and I do think that there's some manipulation going on with Jasmy, but that's crypto, you know. And when we hit this major support level right here at 1.7. So since then, we've been talking about potentially getting back up to the top of the consolidation, which is usually the most likely scenario after hitting the bottom. But obviously, especially in these market circumstances, the main question was, can we actually hold this consolidation? Or is it most likely that we're going to drop down? So then what we talked about is that, all right, well, 2 cents and 1.95 cents. That's a major key level. If we can break above that, that's confirmation that we can probably get back up to the top of the range. So we broke above that, and we also, and that's the bullish confirmation I talked about. Sunday evening, we actually got a nice bullish retest right here, gained some momentum. However, I do think that Jasmy is a little bit slow, all right? I know the Jasmy community a little bit, and I know a lot of you are super bullish on Jasmy. But I do want to be honest, and if you look at Jasmy right now, it's not doing a lot, all right? It's basically just consolidating right here in this tight range between 2.15 cents, which is also a key level, and then that support level around, let's say, 1.95 cents. So from this consolidation range right here, in these market circumstances, which Bitcoin right now is relatively bullish, but the volume is very low, so that could turn around at any point of time, practically. So under those circumstances, it's also possible that Jasmy just drops down here. And if there's one other thing I've talked about quite a lot in these Jasmy updates, is that the only way Jasmy can actually start to rally up quite a bit is if the open interest goes up. And so far, we've seen no momentum coming in from the open interest right here. This needs to do something like this if we want to really see a rally up to the top of the range. And then at the top of the range, as always, in the last 2 months or so, we'll take a look at whether it's possible to break above that. Maybe if Bitcoin is bullish, that's possible. But so far, we've always been rejected from the top. So we need to see that momentum increase, all right? If you see that, then that means that there's more potential that we can actually break out above 2.15 cents to rally up to 2.4 and 2.5. Now, I do want to say, just to clarify some things, I do think it's most likely we'll get up there. That is because technically we are quite bullish right here. We've got a bullish breakout, and just in general the trend has flipped. And technically, if you really zoom out, it's just most likely that from the bottom of a consolidation range, you'll get to the top, especially with bullish confirmation. So I do think that's most likely, but the thing is that, like I said, the volume for Bitcoin is low. If Bitcoin turns bearish here, Jasmy has no momentum of its own. So then Jasmy will fall down as well. And that's really the main danger here, and that's why I'm trying to be a little bit more nuanced on my opinion. And then apart from that, you can also see, well, maybe this candle right here is the start of some momentum. I don't know. Like I said, keep an eye on that open interest. If that starts a rally, great news. We'll go up there. I think it's most likely we'll go up there either way. But be careful, especially in relation to what Bitcoin's doing. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.